So this video is about how to deploy your React application on Hostinger. So I already have a React application created and I'll show you in a while. And I assume that you have a Hostinger account and in that you have a registered domain name. So currently let me show you the website. So this is my website for now. Okay, now coming to the deployment part. So what you have to do is you have to first go in your application, like this is the application that I have created, and in the root just run npm run build, and this will create a build directory here. Okay, now meanwhile let's go on to the Hostinger, and this is the home page. Click on the website, click on the website list, and click on add a website. So for now, since I'm deploying my own React application, so I will go on this custom PHP HTML website. So this is my domain name, and I'll click on next. I'll let it. Okay, so this is initializing for now. Now let's see. Okay, so our build folder is already created. Now just to go in the file explorer. So here it is. Just go inside this. Now let's see if our website is prepared or not. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. Since okay, so this is prepared now. Now I'll go in the file manager. Okay, I'll go inside public HTML. Just double click on this, and you can delete this one. So I'll delete this. Now what I will do is I will copy these folders there. So I'll just drag and drop. So I think this is pasted here. Now if I go here, okay, so let's wait for a couple of minutes. Once this is done. Okay, now let's refresh it again. Okay, let's go on to the website list and unifiedengineer.com. Yes, here we are. So now next time if I, so here is my application. Now so it basically shows news, AI related things, and I'm uploading these data from a Google Sheet. So let me show you an example. So this is for, this is title 28 June 2025. Nothing. I'll save it, and if I refresh here, now go to the AI section, and here we are. If I click on this, so for now this is just blank, else it will show something like this. Okay, so this is all about deployment. Thank you so much.